Whew. All right, guys, another project here. Saw this on Facebook. Of course, once you click on stuff on Facebook, it just starts showing you the stuff. But it was showing me a sunflower hut. You can make like an inside of an area by planting tall sunflowers around it. Then you can go inside there. Well, my wife, Beauty, she needs a place to, I call her Beauty, Beauty and the Beast, Leah. But she needs a place to go pee when she's working out in the garden instead of walking all the way back to the house. But it can be a peaceful spot. So I saw this on Facebook and I'm gonna attempt to do it. Let me show you what I'm doing. All right, first off, I gotta say, this right here is like the bomb. Craftsman made this one, but this one right here, this rake is so awesome. I was able to rake up. So what I'm doing is I'm raking up a half circle, kind of like, almost like a half circle. And I'm leaving this little area open so you can walk inside of it. So the theory is I'm using the Mammoth. These puppies get massive. They're supposed to get anywhere from 7 to, what is that, 12 feet tall. So they'll be on the inside layer, create the wall and height. And then I'm gonna try these puppies to add some color. My wife pointed these out. Add some color to it. And these will get about 4.5 feet. So these will be the outer portion. And then these, we just found them. I guess I had them from last year. Hopefully they grow. Autumn Beauties. These will add some really cool colors too. And these will get up to about 7 feet. So I figure if these are hitting 7 feet with color, hopefully these will push up to 8, 9, 10 feet or more. They'll create the overall big, huge wall with some beautiful color. Those will be right below it at roughly 6 to 7 feet. And then right below that towards the ground, these will be at 4 feet. So hopefully, as you guys can see right here, this will be like a really cool room, especially next to our greenhouse that we can go hide out in, especially if it's hot out. We'll see. But this is a little project I'm going to do myself that I saw on Facebook. And once it starts to grow and gets bigger, I'll post and I'll update you guys over here at the Beauty and the Beast homesteading. These may not come up because I found these are over a year old or maybe even 2 years old. Hopefully they come up though, because they're the inner row. But if they don't, that's okay. I'm gonna sprinkle peat moss on it. All right, there we go. 3 rows of different size sunflowers. And then be able to walk in the middle and hang out in there, take a pee, rest, relax, get a shaded area. It'll just look cool anyway. A bunch of tall sunflowers, all the different colors. Let's just hope it works.